This is happening to millions of you out there watching this video, and I can't stress this enough. Their answer is medication for a couple weeks, and then it should go away. They clearly don't understand the mechanism of acid reflux. Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York. For those of you that suffer from hiatal hernia or acid reflux and GERD, we have a patient here. She has been, well, why don't you tell us how long have you been dealing with this?
I've been dealing with this for maybe about 5 years or so, on and off. And I was given omeprazole, and the doctor told me, my gastroenterologist told me that I would have to be on it for years. Not only for 14 days like it's supposed to be, but for years. It didn't work.
Technically, guys, it's not 14 days. It could be 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
you were, okay.
Yeah. So I was on it, and then...
how long were you on it for?
So I was on it for like 2 months.
Okay.
And then I stopped because I felt better. Then maybe a month after that, it came back. I started feeling the GERD, whatever. And then they prescribed pantoprazole.
Just a different medication for acid reflux?
Yes. That worked, but then my doctor noticed that I was feeling okay, so she took me off it. And then comes to this time now that I started getting acid reflux, but at a nighttime, that it would come back up at night. And
you never had that before?
No, that was completely different.
Okay, and so what was their solution at that point?
The solution was omeprazole again.
Okay, so you see what's happening here. This is happening to millions of you out there watching this video, and I can't stress this enough. Their answer is medication for a couple weeks, and then it should go away. They clearly don't understand the mechanism of acid reflux. The problem isn't the acid. The problem is your stomach is herniated up through your diaphragm. They don't get that. Some of them, God bless them. But go ahead.
Yeah. So then I had an endoscopy, and they found out that I had a hernia.
No kidding. Wow. Boink. Wow. Go figure, huh? Sorry.
Yeah. So then
I get emotional about this stuff. I'm sorry, folks. Go ahead.
Yeah. So then I did some research myself, and I started finding, that's how I found you and about the shield and everything that you do. So I decided to come in.
Okay. The reflux shield. So now we are on visit. You're talking about my invention for hiatal hernia. So now we're on visit 4. Okay. So visit 4, you're not on the medication anymore.
I'm not taking the medication at all. Even before I met you, I wasn't taking it because I needed to find something that would work, and not just that. And not surgery either, because I found out that surgery it's not going to work.
It's an awful option.
And it's just, I just don't want to go and do the surgery. So, yeah, so then I found you and stuff, and then we had the few visits. After the second visit, I started feeling better. I didn't have as much GERD during the day or even at nighttime. And now today, I slept well. I didn't have any.
Yeah, so last night you said that you went out and ate something, and you...
To change my diet completely. I'm trying to avoid coffee, alcohol, chocolate, all the good things, I guess.
Did you have any of that yesterday? Or?
No.
Okay, but you went out, you had, you ate last night?
Chicken and rice and that's it, and some vegetables.
Okay.
But you have to eat very early, allow your stomach to digest for like 3 hours and then go to bed.
And you had some questions about using the reflux shield also.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So we're going to go over that. We're going to show you how we do that and how we use the reflux shield. We're just going to go over that again with her. And then the true test will be for you to drink coffee. Have some mocha coffee, go to Mocha Joe's. No, that's in LA. Sorry, I'm a big Larry David Curb Your Enthusiasm fan. For those of you that don't know this, Larry David has a new show on HBO. I don't work. That's not a plug for Larry David. Just a big fan. Go ahead, lay on your back. So yeah, that'll be the test, the litmus test for you to have chocolate, to have coffee, and see how you feel. And I think we can do that in another week. I just want to make sure you're using the reflux shield properly. Okay, so for those of you that don't know what the reflux shield is, it's this. Okay, this device was specifically made to correct a hiatal hernia. So she told you she was sick and tired of taking medication for a couple weeks. It helped her, but it's not a long-term solution. Medications have side effects. This doesn't. The Reflux Shield does not. So we're going to go ahead and go over how we treat a hiatal hernia with the Reflux Shield, the only patented self-help device that you can do from home safely, from the comfort of your own home when you need to. You can do it twice a day. If you're sore, once a day to start out with. For her, she said she's not sure if she's pushing down hard enough, that she feels like I use a little bit more force. So what I'm going to say is when you put this here in the proper place, I'm going to make sure you're doing it correctly. So I'm going to let you do that. We're going to put a little bit of lotion on it, but I'm going to let you show us how you do it. Hold that. Bend your knees. So you want to lay on your back, pillows under your knees. Make sure you're at a 60-degree angle and that you're right up under that diaphragm. Yeah, you want to get right up there. Yeah.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel it.
Okay, now press in to a 5 out of 10. You there? Now you're going to go reverse, neutral. Keep that 5 out of 10 pressure. There you go. Now you can lighten up to a 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. Now you see, you had it in a little bit of the wrong place. So it's herniated right up under the xiphoid process. You're almost putting this beveled edge here up under that rib, just slightly under that rib, right where it's herniated. Push into a 5 out of 10. Are we there? And then you reverse, neutral, drive, maintaining that 5 out of 10 pressure, first gear, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. And you could release it. Okay. So imagine how much improvement have you had in 4 visits?
Oh gosh, a lot. I could say I feel 90% better.
That's huge. Imagine if she starts using this properly now. Bye-bye acid reflux. Bye-bye medication. Guys, what are you waiting for? I created this. I spent a lot of money to develop this for a reason, not just because it doesn't work. It works. Check out the research on refluxshield.com. Upper left corner, you'll see it, the science behind it. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.